Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. The viewers, in front of me NOKIA XR21, and now I'm gonna show you what you can do if your screen is not respond on this device. First thing you can do is to press and hold power button. Just press it and hold. If never happens, try to press and hold power and volume up buttons. Press and hold power and volume up, you need to hold for about 15 seconds. So release the both buttons only when you will see the Nokia logo, so not the Nokia but Android logo, and wait until your device boots. Okay, that's it. As you can see, my screen is responding right now, but if your screen is not, so it means that maybe you need to get your device to the customer service to just fix the physical problem on your device, because sometimes Android system is bugging and sometimes we just need to perform the force restart. But if it will not help you, so you need to use customer service to fix it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye, see you.